would you like some pancakes? So anyway, y'all, well, Saffron and them say I look like I'm about to go make some pancakes with this one. So y'all, it's 8:30 in the morning. We're just now getting up. Look at these little pigs. Instantly on her phone. All right, let me turn this on. Let there be light. Is the crust out your eyes yet?
Stop that.
Well, Bing Bing's little bonnet fell off in his sleep. But yeah, y'all, we're about to just get up. Look at Remy following me around all freaking morning. Where'd you, baby? So I can partially peek up these blinds and see what's going on for the day. Looks like it's gonna be nice out. Hey, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Happy August 1st, y'all. So it's Saturday. It's going to 9 o'clock. Oh, 9:30. What the hell? Anyway, so time seems like it's going by too fast now. So anyway, checkout's at 11. So we're about to get ready, pack up, and then stop and get something to eat. I'm going to stop at Buc-ee's. Probably get me a green tea matcha latte. Probably just make me some coffee right here before we leave. I'm about to make Remy her breakfast. So to stay here, we slept pretty good. Although, y'all, there was some people probably drinking. There was arguing throughout the night. And then the damn AC, CJ must have been turning it up because it will not turn down. So it got stuck on like heat. So, yeah. But I mean, overall, it was a decent stay. And especially because we can have pets stay here for free. So, it's pretty decent here. It's slept pretty good. Except for then when I was hearing people argue.
I didn't hear nobody argue.
Yeah, you was knocked out. You was bonked out, dude.
So I can't hear or see when I sleep.
And you took your little bonnet off your hair. So anyway, y'all, I'm about to get cute and eat this banana real quick and make me some coffee. And we'll check back with y'all when we stop and get stuff to eat and hit that highway. We got 4 hours and 8 minutes to be exact to drive from here to Toledo, Ohio. So we're excited. You excited? Say so excited.
So excited.
So they got this little thing that
He's letting you come to me. But it's got me like that inside a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you do to me.
y'all, this coffee was garbage. I had to dispose it ASAP. All right, y'all, quick check-in. We're passing the skyline. So we got 4 hours to go yet. We just stopped at Wendy's, got the kids some food, and I got my iced caramel macchiato instead of the matcha. So we'll check back with y'all in a bit. Hey y'all, so we're 2 hours away from Toledo, Ohio. We're at this Sunoco stop where you can get food and at a 7-Eleven. So we just grabbed a couple snacks, let Remy walk and use the bathroom. So now we're about to.
What are you doing?
We'll check back with y'all when we touch down. All right, y'all. So it's 7:30. We made it finally. Thank God. Thank you.
Why are you opening that door?
Dad. Thank you, Jesus. So we're about to get some stuff to eat and then.
Which button do you put the down?
Chill and unpack and unwind. So we'll check back with y'all in a minute. Bedroom, guys.
Stop playing.
No, stop playing. I'm going to bed, guys.
Get
Get going.
Whatever.
cover negligent discharges. Yep.
Again, if you're just afraid you can't, no, don't worry. But if a person starts doing actual, tangible things that you can, that injury you receive, what you've done in the store has to be proportional. And the courts have said garden variety theft is not proportionate to any kind of injury. I think I might have moved the mask or something. That's kind of like a organic thing. Yeah. Here's another thing. So I would add a third one. Complacency. So every day, probably 20 to 30 guns.
So how do you feel?
I feel like killing somebody.
He smoked the food for $50.
You said what?
So you smoked the food for $50.
Man, 50 cents.
Peace.
Michael Greeley. Hey.
All right, y'all, check in. It is now
8 o'clock.
going on 2:30, I want to say. I can't see the sign. Anyways, so last night, that was cool. Me and my big bro, we went to Waffle House. That's the first time we went there. And I had the pecan waffles. I ordered 2, but I actually only needed 1 because those were actually really filling. So it was just a late night snack at 1 o'clock in the morning. It was super packed in there, and online it said they were closed, but they're open 24 hours. So, and people was gumming up in there any kind of way, like in their pajamas and hair all messy. And then one girl had a big girl just had her whole belly hanging out in pajamas and stuff, looking crazy. But I don't know, but it was fun. So he had the chicken and waffles, but there they don't sell crispy chicken, they only sell grilled chicken. But I guess he said it was delicious either way. It was really flavorful and juicy. So, but anyway, then this morning I went with him to his to get his gun concealed license, something like that. So that was cool to watch them take their test, shooting test and all that. And then so now we're about to get ready, or we're about to head to my big sister Michelle's house and meet the rest of the family and eat, which I can't wait because I'm starving. I only had a banana and coffee, and I'm tired. I went to bed at 3:30 this morning and got up at 7. So, which usually when you go out of town to travel, you really don't sleep much because you're trying to cram everything in your short amount of time there or whatever. CJ, how do you feel about Popeye's chicken sandwiches? He tried it for the first time this morning or afternoon.
It was spicy, but it was good at the same time.
And on cheddar.
That was good. It's better than any other chicken sandwich.
Well, CJ can't wait to stop at where?
Sorry, Remy. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, yep.
Yeah, so we'll probably stop there on the way back home tomorrow.
Back.
Put that down. That's mine. If you eat that, you're gonna get.
Huh?
You eat that, your phone's gone. Huh? Give me that. You better not open that. Don't touch that dot. Congratulations, you just lost your phone.
Surprised they were camouflaged. All explained since Prop 64 and the legalization of marijuana, the black market suppliers try to blend in.